You can begin searching from the home page with some basic search options from the main search bar here, including a keyword search and the ability to use Boolean search terms like or, and not. This drop-down menu gives the option to search by subject, publication, or by entire document. You can also navigate to the advanced search page for more functionality. It's accessible from this link beneath the basic search bar or from the header menu link. Advanced search presents you with a framework for building as simple or as complex a search expression as you want. You can search for terms consisting of one or more words from one index or from multiple indexes, again linked by Boolean operators and, or, and not. This enables you to retrieve very specific results. You may add as many rows as needed by clicking Add a Row. The AND operator is shown by default, but you may change it. You can also enter one or more additional search limits to further refine your search results using the fields found below the search input boxes. Click the Search button to begin your advanced search. Clicking the Clear button removes what you've entered and starts over with a blank form.